Welcome back to English with Papora. In this video, we will tell you how to learn English on your own for free. Loads of people spend years learning English and they still can't speak confidently. But it's not because they are bad at languages. It's because nobody ever showed them how to study correctly. They jump between random apps, grammar videos, TikTok, podcasts, YouTube channels, but they get overwhelmed instead of getting fluent. So in this video, we'll show you some methods that will help you speak English confidently, learn on your own and for free. We will cover vocabulary, listening, speaking, pronunciation, grammar, reading and writing. The most important thing to know is that beginners and advanced students should not learn the same thing. They should learn differently because it's important to match your level to your study. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do every single day to improve your English faster. So, if you are A1 or A2 level, watching advanced Netflix shows or movies won't help much. But for example, if you are B1 or B2, grammar exercises will slow you down. So that's why it's so important to know your level. So ask yourself honestly, can I hold up a conversation? Can I understand podcasts or movies? Can I write clearly? Do I translate things in my head? That's an important one. So that changes everything. Then you will know what to do and what level you are on. Before jumping to movies and podcasts, let's talk about one topic, grammar. Grammar is important, but it's not everything. It's very important that you understand that you don't have to memorize hundreds of grammar rules. The most important thing when learning English is practicing it, using it in real life situations. Loads of students spend endless time on doing grammar exercises, but then they go out and they can't speak confidently. So, what shall we do? Grammar is important, so let's do those grammar exercises, but try to immediately use it in real life. Try to use those sentences, make up those phrases, and practice it every single day. Now, let's talk about pronunciation, because understanding English is one thing, but speaking clearly is another. And honestly, loads of students avoid pronunciation, but it's trainable. You can really train your mouth, you just need some repetition. So I recommend that you pick one accent, okay? You can pick British one or American one because they differ slightly. Once you pick the accent you want to focus on, you can start practicing every single day. But please don't worry if you don't get it perfectly, okay? It's about being consistent, not about getting everything right 100%. Okay, so one thing that we also mentioned in our other videos, have a look, is shadowing. Shadowing is copying real speech. So you can do it by watching podcasts, videos on YouTube. What you have to do is listen to a native level speaker, try to copy and shadow the things they say, copy the rhythm, stress, pronunciation, the accent, the intonation. And please remember that consistent practice, even if it's 5-10 minutes a day, is so much more valuable than sitting and doing it once a week for 2 to 5 hours, okay? Try to stay consistent, try to do it every single day. And also an important thing is having a real teacher, a native level speaker. And we understand that at Papora. So that's why we have a native level speakers that you can practice conversations every single day. So yeah, check it out. Let's talk about vocabulary. We have to stop memorizing random words. You memorize it and then in few weeks you forget it. So how do we actually learn vocabulary without forgetting it? Firstly, learn something that is useful to you. Whether it's about traveling or work, something that interests you, maybe you like to look into idioms or phrasal verbs. Pick something in your interest and then practice it daily. Put it into sentences, keep writing it down, keep using those sentences. You can even go into the mirror and speak to yourself in English, but that's the real way that vocabulary is going to stick in your mind. Now let's talk about listening. Listening might be one of the most important skills in English. Yes, speaking is very important, but listening is kind of like the shadowing. So what should we do? We should pick something that is on our level. As we mentioned before, if you are a beginner or if you are an advanced student, you should listen to different things. It can be something easy like a YouTube video or a podcast, maybe even a cartoon for kids. That's a good one for beginners. And we listen, we pause, we listen actively, we copy, we repeat, we write sentences down, and that way we learn accent, pronunciation, and we learn vocabulary and sentence structure. That's really important, because then we start using it in real life, we start copying the rhythm, the accent. You will do it without even realizing. It will come naturally. So give it a go. By the way, one reason why people struggle to learn English is consistency, because they don't know what to study, what to practice, how to stay motivated. And that's why Papora combines structured lesson, unlimited live classes, flexible schedules, self-study content, and small interactive groups. With Papora, you can really stay motivated, you can have a native level speaker, and you can really enjoy it because it's all about having conversations. Let's talk about something that most students fear: speaking. And I'm sorry, but there's no shortcut. You practice speaking by speaking. But there are some methods to practice even if you are shy and you don't have the confidence. First one is speak to yourself. I know it might sound a little bit silly, but you can do it in your head or you can do it aloud, in a mirror. Talk about what you did today, what you are going to do, practice some common phrases that you usually use, and just do it. Just speak to yourself. It's honestly a great way. You can also use tandem to speak with other people. If you are not shy, this is a little bit maybe more out of the comfort zone, but it's also a great application. You can practice languages with other people. You can do a lot of grammar exercises, watch all the films and movies in the world, listen to all the podcasts, but you will not avoid real-life conversations. At some point you will need it. Fluency is important, daily practice, consistency is important. And that's where Papora comes in, because Papora classes are very effective. You can practice speaking in small groups and you can have a native level English speaker, which is very important. So check it out. Another important skill, which is very underrated, it's writing. Writing is very important because you learn new vocabulary, you see your mistakes, and when you write, you think, oh, I don't quite know how to say this, or I don't quite know how to put it in a sentence. And that's where you start to practice. You can ask your friends, you can ask a native level speaker, or you can even use AI to check your mistakes. But honestly, it's very important. And not only writing, but also reading. Reading will have a similar effect, because by reading, you will pick on new phrases, new vocabulary, and new sentence structure. So please don't skip that step in your routine. At the start of the video, we mentioned that it's very important to practice depending on your level. Okay, so let's make some simple plan. Let's start from the beginner routine. I recommend that you do 15 minutes of vocabulary, 15 minutes of grammar, 15 minutes of pronunciation, and 15 minutes of listening. For intermediate studies, you can do 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 15 minutes vocabulary, and 15 minutes reading. And for advanced routine, I recommend you listen to podcasts, you have real conversations, please don't skip that, you read articles and books, you write daily, this is underrated, but please do it, and shadowing native content. Give it a go and let us know in the comments how it works for you. In summary, today we talked about how to study English alone, how to build a daily routine, what to focus on each level, and how to improve every major English skill. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking, and you don't need expensive courses to improve, but you need consistency, real practice, and a system that keeps you motivated. And that's exactly why Papora combines unlimited monthly classes, more than 500 lessons, certified teacher, real-life English, flexible schedules, and affordable pricing compared to traditional courses, so you can build fluency step by step. Now, I want to know, what's the hardest part of learning English for you right now? Is it speaking, listening, grammar, consistency, staying motivated? Let me know in the comment. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. We have loads of cool videos on our YouTube channel that you can watch. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!